In order to use the circle search in your Samsung S24 series, you have to first enable it from the settings. So open the settings app, go to the display settings, followed by you have to tap on the navigation bar. Now go ahead and look for the circle to search. Once you find it, simply tap on it to turn the feature on. Once it is on, now go ahead and use the circle search. In order to use the circle search, as you can see, currently I am in Instagram. So there is, as you can see, this is the simple bedroom, and there is also a flower or a tree. I don't know, something is there. So in order to use the circle search, all I have to do is just simply press or hold the home button, and then it's going to open the Google Lens. And once it is open, just go ahead and circle around the object that you want to search across the internet. So once you circled it, it is going to show you the result in the lens, and you can just simply scroll it up and you will see the entire screen. So as you can see, this is Swiss cheese plant. Other than that, if you are messaging someone, doesn't matter which application you are in, you can still use it to find that specific place or the specific object in that picture. So for instance, in this picture, you can see there is a small tower. You can just open the Google Lens and then simply circle around the object, and you can see it has simply shown where the picture is or which location it is, and you can see that that is located in the Thailand. So following that, even if you are on YouTube and you have noticed a very an object that you want to search, you just simply pause the video and then circle around the object, and then you will see the result across the internet. Just make sure that you have a very reliable internet connection to see the result. So this is the simplest method that how you can use it in your Samsung Galaxy series.